I'm going to use Gimp to make an Andy Wahol style image. So Gimp 2 is a completely free program. So I'm just going to open up Gimp, and this is what it looks like when it opens up. Right, I've gone onto the Google search and I've just typed in bunch of flowers. So I'm just going to use an image of flowers to show this Andy Wahol effect. Right, so I'm going to choose this one. Once you've chosen an image, it will give you the image details. This one's quite large, it's probably a little bit too large. So if I go to image details, you can always get a different sized image. So I'm going to choose medium. And this one's 512 by 512, so it's a square image. I'm going to use that one instead. So I'm going to copy that image and don't need that anymore. And in Gimp, I'm going to go edit, and I'm just going to paste in that square image. Right, what I'm going to do now is select all, and I'm going to go edit and copy that image. I'm now going to make a new file because I need it, because I'm going to do 4 images next to each other. I need the canvas to be larger. In fact, I need it to be double the width and double the height. So double 512 is going to be 1024. Same for the height, 1024. And we're going to say OK. I've got a new Gimp canvas. In fact, I can close that first one. Don't save it. Right, so on the new one, if I stretch it, you can just see the outside edge. That's the new canvas that we're going to use. Right, I'm now going to go edit, but I'm going to paste it as a layer. So it's paste as new layer, and you will see that was the first layer that's there. And I'm going to do that 3 more times. So edit, paste as new layer. And because the image is at the top, whoops, didn't mean to do that. We'll just do undo paintbrush. I'm now going to get the handle, the move, and I'm just going to move that second layer image over to there. Right, now I'm going to go edit and paste as third layer. Again, move the image down. And fourth one, edit, paste as new layer, and move the image. So I've now got the 4 images on the canvas. Right, I'm now going to change them. I'm going to click on, take these 3 off. So I've just got that layer, and it's selected by the blue. I'm now going to go up to select all. So that is now selected. I'm going to go to colors, hue saturation, and I'm going to slightly change the hue on that. So I've got a sort of purple image. That's fine. Okay. I'm going to click that one off and click on the next one. Again, select all, go to color. Oh, where is it? It's not showing. I've not got it showing. Select it. There it is. Select all, colors, hue saturation, and we had purple for the first one, so we'll go for a sort of greeny image on that one. Okay. In fact, you can see the 2 there now together. Right, I'll just turn those 2 off, and we'll put the third one on and click the eye so that it appears. Select all, and colors, hue saturations. We've had a green and a purple. We'll go for a sort of blue. Let's have a look at the 3 together now. Right, we need 1 more. So the 4th one that we want to view, and we're going to select it all first of all. Select all, and then colors, hue saturation, and this time we'll see if we can get a sort of red maybe, or we have an orangey colour. That's okay, we've got 4. So we've got 4 completely different images now. Right, now when I press Control and M, that will merge all of the images and merge. And by the way, to make the layers appear, if they're not appearing, it's Control and L on your keyboard. Right, now before I finish it, I'm just going to click this tool here, which is the rotate tool. I'm just going to slightly rotate the image like that. Okay, and I'm going to say rotate, and we're just going to move it down. I'm going to grab the handle and just slightly move it down a little bit. And now I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to click the text tool, which is here, and that will create a new layer. So if I click here, Gimp text editor, close, and we're going to create some text. So I'm just going to type in there. Like that, flowers, and say close. Okay, and that should have made, here it is, this is the text. Now this is where I can edit it, so I'm just going to double click on that, and I'm going to drag it out so it's much bigger, and whoops, don't want an image, we just want to select that text. Here we go, it's over here. Right, so if I click on that, for one thing I want to make it very bold. So I'm just going to choose a really sort of chunky font. Maybe that one. And then the size, I'm just going to make it much bigger like that. And probably make the box a bit bigger to fit it in. And then I'm going to change the colour to white, I think. Right down in the bottom. And say OK, no, it's not going to show up, so it's going to write red instead then. OK, there we go, flowers right in the middle, and close that. And if I might even just slightly rotate the flowers as well, so we use the rotate tool, and we'll just slightly rotate the word flowers as well. So rotate. OK, right, what we can now do is go File, and we're going to save that as, and down here it says select file type. Well, I'm going to save that as a PNG because we want the edges on the side, these edges here, to be transparent. So I'm going to go down and find PNG, and there it is, PNG image, and give it a name. We'll call it flowers. And I'm just going to save that onto my desktop, and we're going to go save. Okay, and just export that image and save again. And that should now have, there it is, appeared on my image. So what I'm going to do now is just open up the internet, and I'm going to go on to Google Drive. So I'm just going to go here and go into Google Drive and create a new document, which I will call flowers. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put that image in. So insert the image, which is on my, going to upload, it's actually on my desktop. So desktop, and there's the image that we want. Open that image. Just uploading, and there it is. It's quite big, so I'm going to just shrink it down. Now it is a PNG, of course, so it means it's got white parts on the side. Now I'm just going to show that they are transparent, because if we go to File, Page Setup, and change the colour of the page background, you can see that those images, the white part doesn't show through. That's a really nice sort of image bit of photo editing.